In this video, we will show you how to add an image into a shape. First, you need to have an image open or start something new. In this example, I started with a new file. Now you need to create the shape where you want your image to show up. For this example, I will just use the lasso tool to create an irregular shape. After you create the shape, you should see the marching ants, which means the selection is active. As a side note, I did not create a separate layer for the shape in this example. With the section active, just hold down Alt on PC or Option on your Mac and hit Backspace. But make sure that the foreground color is set to black. If the background color is set to black, hold down Control and hit Backspace to get the same result. Your shape should have a black color now. Now we need to import an image, which you want to mask with the shape. So go to File at the top and then click on Place Embedded. Look for the image you want to use and double-click it to select it. Just scale it by dragging one of the corner handles until you are happy with the result. Just make sure that it fits in the shape. If you do not see the handles of the image, switch your tool to the Move tool. After you have positioned the image to your liking, right-click on the image in the layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. The image should now appear inside the shape. Now you can add a shadow by adding it via a layer effect. But before you can do it, you must select the layer with the shape. So select the shape layer and now click on the FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel. In the new Layer Style window, choose the inner shadow and change the settings to your liking. Make sure that only the inner shadow effect is active. We hope you like this video, and if you want to support our channel, please use the Amazon link in the description so we get a small fee.